Prepare for the arrival of the new Tribal Chief.
The following contest is a tag team Extreme Rules match. Introducing first, from Las Vegas, Nevada, weighing in at 250 pounds,
Solo Sikoa has brute strength and an insatiable hunger to destroy those who oppose him.
Now, there's absolutely nothing pretty about what Solo does in the ring. It's just pure savage aggression.
Sikoa only has one thing on his mind right now, and that's destruction.
This could get ugly fast.
The right-hand man of the Bloodline is here.
And from Orlando, Florida, weighing in at 209 pounds,
Tama Tonga fights like a wild animal in the ring and holds absolutely nothing back.
That savagery makes Tama Tonga a very fearsome, intimidating competitor.
And Tama Tonga, not someone you can take lightly. A certified threat to anyone in the ring.
Or outside the ring. We've really gotten on his bad side.
Tama Tonga looks ready to go on a rampage.
There's always a fire in the eyes of Tama Tonga.
And Tama Tonga is clearly feeling as confident as ever.
Because Tama is purely focused on getting a big win for the Bloodline.
Here comes Jimmy Uso.
and from San Francisco, California, weighing in at 251 pounds, Jimmy Uso.
Made a ruthless move to step out of the shadow of his brother in order to put the range of his talent on full display.
And according to Jimmy, it was well worth it. The only question now is, can WWE handle the real, untethered Jimmy Uso?
Jimmy Uso is always willing to do whatever it takes to win.
And that's exactly what I'm afraid of. Jimmy Uso is hungry for power.
Get used to it, Byron. We are about to witness the ascent of Jimmy Uso.
Jacob Fatu has arrived.
WWE Universe, it is time to say your prayers.
And from Sacramento, California, weighing in at 285 pounds, the WWE United States Champion, the Samoan Werewolf, Jacob Fatu.
You are looking at the new enforcer of the Bloodline.
Almost like a trained wolf that hunts down any prey and tears them apart.
And Jacob has strength, speed, and aggression unlike anyone else in WWE.
Perhaps the most loyal member of the Bloodline, but also the most dangerous.
But if that loyalty ever goes away, Jacob might be even more dangerous than ever.
No, Cole, don't even consider that. Jacob's love will never waver.
The Bloodline looks as menacing as ever as they prepare to establish their dominance once again inside the ring.
The latest incarnation of the Bloodline only has one goal: total destruction. Doesn't matter who you are, you will come to respect the Bloodline.
It's a savage approach, but the Bloodline has certainly become one of the most feared factions we've ever seen.
And remember, we're going tornado style here tonight, which means we won't see any tags in this one. Everybody's legal.
Obviously, all the toys under the ring play a big role in Extreme Rules matches, but equally important is being able to withstand the onslaught from the top all the way to the outside. Down to Otis and a double axe handle smash.
There you go, all right, arm steps, things are, and he goes for the pin. Oh, he kicked out.
Able to skip. High risk, cross body.
Showing reckless abandon. There was every chance that could have gone wrong, but instead, it was right on the money.
And he slides him back to the mat.
Just brutalizing their opponent with forearms to the side of the face.
This is why it's good to have a manager. Good to have an ally who wants you to win as badly as you do. And will introduce any tool to produce victory.
And into the count. Stops the ref count before 2.
He's nowhere near ready to stop fighting yet.
Kick again in the back of the head. Off into the pin. Save made by the teammate.
Not a moment too soon.
Spear. Feeling like it's over for Sikoa.
Cover. 2. Oh, he was almost finished.
Wow, looks like this book has a couple more chapters in it.
We might be seeing a whole saga written tonight.
And springboard.
Gotcha!
Threw caution to the wind, and it paid off big time. Delivered into the barricade.
Sikoa prevents that from connecting.
Oh, colliding with the barricade.
Steered away there.
Taking this thing out onto the floor now.
Ooh, stiff punch. Oh, my goodness.
Setting up for something here. Oh, what a shock of the ears. And what a maneuver we just saw there. Oh, a rear super kick.
Nasty.
And he heads back into the ring. He's no longer looking at his best.
You can almost feel the intensity coming from Tama Tonga on that attack. Tama Tonga.
Tongan twist.
Tama could end it there.
Is it enough? The cover. He's looking for an implement of destruction under the ring.
The ladder things are about to get very interesting and dangerous.
Clothesline! He's got that sledgehammer. I don't know why he's wasting time. And he's leaving the ring for the moment, looking for something, anything under the ring.
He's got the table, and I can only imagine what he's thinking of doing with it.
And he comes in under the ropes now. And Sikoa gets warded off. Super kick! Ouch!
Punch right in the head.
Bang!
Never saw him coming.
And he's looking out of sorts now.
Attack.
Score! Shoulders are down.
The count was stopped before it started.
Are you kidding me? Not even a 1 count.
Suplex. And these guys are trying to prove they belong in the main event, that they are on top of the mountain here.
Big-time confidence leading to big-time matches. I love it.
Kick again to the back of the head. Shoulders down. Makes the save, and they continue this match. Oh, the bam!
Man, earth-shattering. Jimmy with a game ender.
2 count. A kick out. I don't believe it.
I would have bet this was 1 after that last hit.
Goes to show you just never know what your opponent's capable of.
This was the moment to capitalize on. That should have been the end. Effective counter. A reversal.
Oh, nice. Schoolboy from behind.
He gets the kick out after the 1.
This is insanity.
Did you expect anything less?
And he just got caught good once again.
And in these situations, it's hard to not. We're going to finish it off.
Oh, no, went big and pays for it.
I don't care how tough you are. Hitting the floor from that height has got to hurt. It's been a hardship for these superstars to get to this point. I think these fans are driving them to claw that extra inch.
You can sense the ride these fans have been on.
Springboard. Taking a flight to nowhere.
Enough already.
We might need to consider relocating soon.
Yeah, this fight's getting closer and closer to our table.
Oh, no.
Watching.
Through the air. And connects.
That's going to be on highlight reels for a long time.
Incredible courage to even attempt that.
Nothing fancy here, just raw power. Face first, inverted STO.
He's able to dodge out of the way. Super kick! The WWE Universe is pouring more fuel on his fire right now. Sikoa keeping his opponent at bay. Getting tossed.
Oh my goodness.
Just punishing their opponent. Stops the attack with a hit to the gut.
So precise with the super kick.
No way!
Headbutt to the back of the neck. Under the ropes and back into the ring.
Nothing fancy here, just raw power.
The body's limits are being reached here.
From the top.
What a landing!
Adrenaline can make you do crazy things. Exhibit A right there.
No clue what he hopes to find down there.
To the sky!
Good Lord, taking flight. The 1-2 punch of high risk, high reward.
Super kick!
At the
Shocking inside cradle.
small packages could be it.
No, he gets the shoulder up.
Incredible resiliency.
I can hardly hear myself think. They're bringing the house down tonight. This is unbelievable. Heads outside the ring.
And no countouts means he can take his time.
He thinks he has it. Kick out just before 2.
He refuses to stay down.
Pure instinct.
Feet tackle.
Watch out.
A slingshot across the body.
What a display of fearlessness we just witnessed.
That's the kind of attitude you need to take yourself to the next level.
Striking with a knee. Using the elbow as a weapon. This whole building is shaking.
Matches like this are what it's all.
Score! Shoulders are down!
And he kicks out of the pin and one.
Somehow still has the energy for a quick kick out. Nothing fancy here, just raw power.
Straight to the knee. Incredible reversal.
This could do it. Stopping the rest count at 2.
Somehow, somewhere. That was vicious.
That could put Tama down.
This is it. Cover. Oh, the save.
That might have been it.
And oh my God, what a forearm.
Right to the jaw. Hits the spinning solo.
Will this be enough? You gotta be kidding me.
I am shaking my head in disbelief over how he managed to get the shoulder up.
Tama fights back. On the shoulders and a slam.
Picture perfect drop kick.
And that attack dealt a real blow to Jacob's chances.
Yeah, Tama could be looking for that home run very soon. Saw it coming and slowed it down with the back elbow.
And just being tossed away there.
And just in time, he gets out of there.
Over and over.
So much aggression. Sikoa gets out of dodge.
Nothing fancy here, just raw power.
Just trying to pound their opponent into the ground even further.
In the hard way.
Anticipated that.
Big heel kick.
Rearing way back.
There's a Samoan spike.
Ouch. Cover. Now Solo needs to end this.
Taking a gut by Tonga. And look out. Here it comes. The Tonga twist.
Jimmy with a cause for alarm.
For Jimmy himself, he's eliminated. Oh, man.
Oh, I got it. Ooh, headbutt from the rear. Oh, mat slam with some attitude.
Down to opponent and a double axe handle smash.
Capitalizing on Sikoa's mistake.
Samoan drop.
Heading back to the ring.
Down on the ground, getting pummeled by that hammer.
He's going for the pin. This could be it. Still only got one. Thought he had him.
You gotta be kidding me.
Oh, this is just too far. Get some control in there.
He might just be stalling for time here. And a drop kick.
Picture perfect.
He is obviously taking way too much pleasure in this right now.
Heading to the outside now. Bullseye. Face buster plants him.
And it looks like he's got a bullseye on his head now. Face first with a waistlock takedown. Boom!
They'll take things into the ring.
From way up. Diving double axe handle. This could do it. He kicks out at 2.
This is going to come down to who wants wants it more.
Super kick!
Yikes, that'll either wake you up or knock you out.
Catches an uppercut. Trying to impale them with that chair. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
And each of these lethal maneuvers have got to be taking a toll.
Does he get him here? Forces the shoulder up after two.
I am shaking my head in disbelief over how he managed.
Cover. Is it enough?
And the elimination. The last team standing.
Here are your winners, Sikoa and Tama, the Bloodline.
This Extreme Rules match comes to an end.
Everything was at these teams' disposal, and they didn't shy away from it.
They took Extreme Rules to the limit.
I do not follow